Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A54 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll until we will find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset Up Preferences. Here our device is informing us what it will actually reset. So as you can see, the disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any of the data, so simply tap on reset, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Samsung Galaxy A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.